Welcome back to another edition of Why Not Mixology, and today is easy peasy lemon squeezy, well, orange juice squeezy. Today, if you like the screwdriver, guess what? We're making it, but with a twist. Superman never had it this good. This is the Kryptonite Screwdriver. Let's get started. 1 cup of orange juice. Making a mess already. Look at that. 1 Cup O.J. 1 shot of vodka. I'm just making a mess. You know what? Let's just keep it going. 1 shot of Blue Curacao. There you have it. That's it. That's all there is to it. 3 easy ingredients. Orange juice, vodka, Blue Curacao. Just give it a little bit of a mix. You don't have to mix it if you don't want to, but yeah, gives it that beautiful green color. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, the Kryptonite Screwdriver. Again, Superman never had it this good. Let's give it a try. That is refreshing. It's cold. It's delicious. It tastes like a screwdriver. And I'm still alive. And I'm the Superman. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Keep mixing. Be smart about what you're doing, right? We talk about this every time. Come see me on YouTube. We're doing it over there too. We'll see you all on the flip side. Peace.